In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn any task card into a reusable template in ClickUp so you can save time, stay organized, and work smarter. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials, and then on the left side panel of your dashboard, I want you to go to the homepage and open the task that you wanted. So in my case, I am using the personal list. For example, you are creating a task which is going to be like recurring, and you don't want to create the same task over and over again. Sounds simple, right? Because it really is easy. Now, all I have to do is, if you don't have any task yet, create a fresh new task, click the save button. I want you to click on it, and then what will happen is it will be forwarded for you to have more control. You have to go to the top right corner where you can see the 3 dots icon, which gives you the ability to hover down where it says templates. And as you can see, there is an option for you to browse templates and save this existing template as a template, right? So I'm gonna click on this one, and you have more options if you want to share it with your members, maybe if you're working with their client, with team members, or if you don't want that, you can do so. If you want to publicly share this, it's also okay. Once you've done that, click on the save template. It's very easy, super simple, and basically that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.